Greasley, mate. And possibly what other train?
Maybe a black line. Look at these.
London King's Cross. Retford, Newark Northgate, Grantham, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation is at Some stations have short platforms. Images of the train. First class accommodation is available on the train.
Train smells, doesn't it?
Platform 3B from 1621 London service to Sheffield, Meadowhall and Sheffield. This train has 3 coaches.
Everyone's getting ready. Everyone's getting ready.
1628 Hull Paragon service to Hull.
And by the way, this is a 90 subscriber sub special for when we see Sir Nigel Greasley and Black 5 and maybe a 47. Well, that scared me a bit, that.
To London, please make your way. Arrive at platform 8 will be 16 platform 1.
The camera's very sensitive.
8 from 16.
Your arm's very shaky, mate.
Oh no, it's not freezing.
Sheffield.
Look at that. Wow. Very nice indeed, Harry. Yes, it is.
Yeah, they're squeaky, aren't they?
Yeah, well. They sound like the fresh paint items, but it's kind of like that. And also, can you comment down below what this train is called? I have no idea what it's called.
What class is the Grand Central by Arriva? Go!
This is it, everyone! Sir Nigel Greasley!
It got loud, didn't it, that?
To Hayborough, you will need to travel in the front 4 coaches of the train. First class
We used to be a family with gilets, now we've all got black coats apparently, like gangsters. God, honestly. H, what do you want to see?
Black 5.
A black 5?
Yeah.
Any minute now, mate. Any minute now, pal.
Here it comes.
It's a beast, that, isn't it? What's on the back? Was that a 47? Together.
This train is for the 6 carriages. Please move right down the platform, and if you do not have a seat reservation or is it anywhere on the station.
It is an intercity.
That's right, it was. Look at that.
I feel like it's not a good day unless I've seen an intercity.
What?
Sounds beefy, doesn't it? nice, that. I wonder what's on the back of it. It's, look at those. Look how nice those carriages look. If I'm honest, mate, I think this was quite an expensive tour. What's on back?
What is it? Oh! 47.
Is it another 47? Oh, it's a 57.
I thought it was a 47, but it's not.
Now subscribe.